Hey there, today we'll be painting a zombie ogre from Reaper miniatures to the core level standard. The first thing we want to do is take a scalpel or other sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. As always, be very careful with this step to avoid injury. I've base coated the entire model with Vampiric shadow using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you like. Paint all the metal parts of the model like his armour, buckles and weapons with aged pewter. This is quite a thin paint, so shake it well and apply 2 thinner coats if the previous layer is showing through too much. Next, take some rotting wood and some creamy ivory and mix them together on your palette. Use this mix to paint his loincloth. Base coat any visible bones showing through his wounds with creamy ivory. Use rotting wood to paint any leather or wooden areas on the model. Because this model is a light coloured base coat, it can make an interesting effect if you don't fully shake this paint before using it. That way, it has less pigment and more medium in it, and flows into the recesses to shade them while still tinting the raised areas. Paint the rock he's standing on with a mix of rotting wood with a little bit of creamy ivory added in. Next we'll wash the entire model with a watered down application of rotting wood. Make sure it's as thin as ink and don't overload the model or it'll drip and pool in the wrong places. And once that is dry, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you next time.